shades that I used were incredible, but also the shades that I swatched. For instance, I was in love with Gone Galactic, and I was also in love with Death Star. This does swatch a little bit more taupey, and this has a little bit more of a cooler color to it. And Dark Side is really cool because it's like a really great black that melts into your eyeshadow, and it has little small flecks of red sparkle, which really ties together this look. Hey guys, it is your girl Annie. Thank you so much for joining me here for the collaboration of Darth Vader and Colourpop's eyeshadow palette. I had so much fun creating this look for you guys. This was such a great palette to play with. All the shadows that I played with today were incredible. I had such a positive experience with this eyeshadow palette, and I love that there's textural differences to the actual cover itself, and I'm definitely gonna put this eyeshadow palette on display. I think it's such a cool looking palette. I did use 3 different eyeshadow colors for this look, and that is Stormtrooper, I Am the Master, and Dark Side. And these are the swatches for this palette. I did need to give the Stormtrooper shade a little bit of help with using the Sephora eyeshadow stick in silver. You can use any eyeshadow stick like nude or white, but that just gives that a little bit of a base to work on. Can't wait to show you how I created this look. It is so easy. You can use similar shades if you have them already in your collection. Let's get into it. To start off the look, I'm going to take I Am the Master and smudge it into the middle of my eyes. I'm just going to extend the red a little bit further out, like so. These are so buttery. They kind of just melt right into the eyelid. I'm just going to take that as well, like that. Now, I know it looks kind of crazy right now, but we're going to just blend it in. I'm just helping the red out a little bit. Now we're going to dip into Dark Side. And I'm using a flat brush to kind of draw the shape that I want the eyeshadow to be in. And I'm going to clean that up here in a bit, but I just wanted to create a general idea of where I want the black, essentially. You can see how well that black just melts right in. It is really great black. I would get this palette alone just for their blacks, to be honest with you. Using a different brush, I'm going to dip into the shades right here and just blend that in. I'm going to also drag it a little bit down like that and here. But we already have the general idea down. So now I'm just going to clean up the lines a little bit and making it a little bit more opaque. I'm going to take off some of the color that's on the brush right now, and I'm just going to use the same brush to drag some of it toward the red tone shade. Now that we have the base look down, I'm just gonna add some black to my waterline. I'm also still gonna use the same eyeliner and drag it across, creating a little line on the top lash line. To create the line that's right here, I'm just going to take this silver eyeshadow pencil from Sephora, and I'm just going to drag it down, and just going to give us a little bit of a base for the actual eyeshadow to stick onto. I am just going to dip into Stormtrooper. I'm going to use that base and add some of that shade in as well. This is the eyeshadow look that I created. When you're looking forward, the eyeshadow that you see is mostly black, but then when I look down, it kind of gives you that wha-bam! I'm really weird. I'm slowly getting more comfortable on camera, so you're gonna see the weirdness come out. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun here, I promise you guys. And I'm really appreciative for all the followers that I do have. It's not a big number, but just know that I love you guys, and I really appreciate all you guys taking the time out of your day to watch my videos and also leave me a comment and all that. It is so sweet. I love all the support that you guys are giving me here on Instagram. I'm forever grateful. Thank you guys so much for joining me here for this video. I do hope you guys enjoy watching how I created this eyeshadow look. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Ring that bell for notifications on my future posts, and I will see you guys in the next video. There's so much more fun stuff to come. I am so happy again and thankful for you guys that have subscribed and are continually watching my videos and showing your support. It really means so much to me when I see those comments, and yeah, I just want you guys to know that I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. But yeah, also I wanted to mention, so my camera always shoots me with being like super pale, but I promise you guys, I'm not this pale. I'm not whiter than the wall, I promise you.